I'm back, I'm back, I'm back, I'm back. Get excited, get excited, get excited, get super, super, super excited. I'm back with another makeup transformation. And guess what? It's Mary J. Blige. Get excited, everybody. Stay tuned for the video. Get excited. Get super excited, folks. Hey everybody, get excited, get excited. This is a strong and powerful Corinne making a mark that cannot be erased, changing the world one face at a time. Guess what? Get excited, get excited, get excited, get super, super, super excited. Thank you for tuning into my page. Stay tuned for the video. Get excited. Get excited, I'm back. So first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to use this NYX Black Bean. I'm going to use this as my base. I'm excited about doing this Mary J. Blige look. I love doing celebrity makeup transformations. So I'm excited about this. And I hope you guys are excited too and enjoy it. So I'm just going to use my finger. And I'm going to blend the black bean out. Blend it out, Corinne. Blend it out. All over the eyelid. Blend, 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 blend. Get excited. So I'm going into this Flory Robert Magic set. And I'm going to use the orange in the crease area. Like so. So this is, I've been wanting to do this look for the longest. When I saw the photo. And I'm excited. So it's going to be a smoky eye look. And I'm excited about doing this. So I'm just going into the crease area. Like so, everybody. Get excited, get excited, get excited. Get super excited. And now I'm going to take the black out of the magic set. And I'm going from lash, not loud, sorry. I'm going from the lid up into the crease. I'm going to use my mirror so I can see exactly what I'm doing. And I'm just taking the black and I'm going from corner to corner. Get excited, everybody. Like so. If you have done so already, I have quite a few celebrity makeup transformation here on my channel. You can go check it out. I have the NeNe Lakes. I have two Mary J. Blige. I have a Janet Jackson. I have Fantasia. Go check them out. Go check them out. I'm going to try my best to link them. Now, I'm going to put the link in the description section so you can see those looks. Look at that. Look at that. Get excited, everybody. Get super excited. So I'm going back in with the orange. And I'm going to go back in the crease area just to blend out any harsh lines. Get excited, everybody. Get super excited. So I'm going to use this black liner. And I'm just going straight across. Just to darken up a little more. I'm going to make it a little thick. Like so. Yeah. Get excited. I'm going in a waterline with a pencil liner. The other one I used on the top was a liquid. Excited, everybody. Get excited. Oh, it looking great. Wow, wow, wow. I'm going to take the liner that I used on the top lid and I'm just going to go underneath like so. Because I noticed that in that photo, her liner is very dark at the bottom. Like so. It's coming together, everybody. Get excited, everybody. My Mary J. Blige makeup transformation. Get excited, folks. Get excited. Get super excited. So I'm just going to tap a little mascara on. Use as a guideline so when I put my lashes on. Like so. Wow, I like the smoky eye look. To me, smoky eyes is one of the easiest looks to create. I'm sorry for shaking it. Some people think it's kind of hard, but to me it's very easy to create. I'm loving this. Tell me what you think, folks. So we know the eye look wouldn't be complete without adding some falsies. Get excited, everybody. So we gotta add some falsies. And I'm adding the long ones today instead of short ones. Make sure your fluid's dry. Something I didn't do. So you put it in the middle. Hold. Wow, what a difference your lash make. What a difference, what a difference. Wow. Now, I rarely use tweezers, but when I'm doing my client's face, I try my best to use tweezers. But for myself, I just use my hands. It's more easier for me. Much easier for me. Look at that. It is what? Coming together, everybody. My Mary J. Blige look. I enjoy doing Mary J. Blige looks. So this is my third Mary J. Blige. And I'm going to come back and do some more Mary J. Blige look because I love doing her makeup transformations. Wow, look at that smoky eye. As always, I'm going to highlight under my eye with the concealer. Go check out my last video on my concealer look when I only use concealer to create my look. So check that out, okay, folks? But I'm loving this Mary J. Blige look. I got to come back and do another one because I saw another Mary J. Blige look I want to do. And if you guys would like to see a different celebrity look, leave it in the comment section. And I'll do my best to try to create that look. Get excited, everybody. Get super excited. Go back to pull the face back. Take away age. Okay, ladies over 40? Get excited. Get super excited. Wow. I love this look. Oh my God, I've been wanting to do this look for so long and I'm finally doing it. Wow. Wow. Go ahead, Mary. Mary J. Blige. Get excited. That's my girl, Mary J. Blige. So I'm just going to warm up my cheekbone area with my what? Favorite Queen Latifah bronzer. Get excited, everybody. Get super excited, everybody. Warm up the skin, warm up the skin, warm up the skin. Warm up the face, warm up the face. Get excited. So bronzer on my chin, blend out my finger and my nose. I'm not going to highlight on my cheekbone area today. Get excited. Yes, I love using my fingers to do my makeup. You can blend with your fingers. I'm finally getting this look achieved. Wow. 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 So this is a bang and ponytail I bought from the beauty supply store. Uh-oh, I dropped something. I hope it didn't break. I'll be right back. Okay, nothing didn't break. Thank God. So this is a ponytail. It's called Bang and Ponytail that I bought from the beauty supply store, and I'm loving it. And when I saw it, I was like, oh my God, I can finally do my Mary J. Blige look. It was easy to put on. It looks like that. Like that. And all I had to do was trim the bang down. So this is very popular now. Like, wow. So the man in the store was like, it's going to look nice on you. It's going to look nice. You don't worry, it's going to look nice. And you say, okay, I hope so. So you guys tell me what you think. Get excited, everybody. So what I'm going to do now, I'm using this matte lip gloss. Not gloss, lipstick. and I'm just putting it in the middle. And like so, everybody. Like so. And I think I bought this from, where did I get this from? Oh my God, must be the beauty supply store. Then I'm going to use some Floyd Robert, I'm going to use the Floyd Robert lip gloss over it. I should have made it a little more fuller because I like my lips to be full. I like full lips. I don't like flat lips. All right, all right, all right, all right. It's coming together. So that complete my Mary J. Blige look. Tell me what you think. Don't forget to click the notification button on your way out so you know when I upload videos. Get excited, everybody. And don't be moved by what you see. I believe something good is going to happen for you. Until next time, have a wonderful, wonderful day. Get excited, everybody. My Mary J. Blige smoky eye look. Get excited, everybody. Later, later, later. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up the video, comment below, and on your way out, hit the bell button for notification. Until next time, have a wonderful, wonderful day. Get excited. Get super excited.